I am sharpening at a very small angle, like 10 degrees per side, nearly flat I feel like. So my two fingers are rubbing the stone surface, 120 grit sharpen. This bleeding is inevitable. This extremely over angle is inevitable, needed to make this natural round belly line. The reverse side is the same. I have lost much blood to this waterstone. This side, not so high. This side, very high. And look at this natural belly line. Kinda crescent, continuous, longer than the original one, but acceptable. Anyway, this edge angle is expected to smaller than 25. Yes, around 25. It will make a very fast woodcutter I needed after the test for this knife, because this handle I love the best from Bark River. My girl just came here and was nervous about this breeding. Please say something to this breeding. What do you think?
I think.
Am I crazy?
It looks like blood.
Yes, it is blood, definitely. From my finger, my own blood.
Yeah.
It descends to you. Your blood. My blood is your blood. Okay?
Blood?
Yes. I'm finishing.
Yeah.
No problem. I don't care about my breathing at all. My girl is chilling, viewing this blood. Strange. Woman is chilling because of blood. Strange. No problem.ちょっと紙取って、ペーパー。This is 5,000, not 12,000. 5,000 finish is enough, not aesthetically but practically, because I strop with the white compound soon afterward. paper. This is the paper cut. Sharp enough. As an edge before stropping, white compound stropping. Look at this bevel height. This angle should be 25. I'm anxious about its toughness. Chippy or not chippy. I don't care. It's bleeding. Not so much. Not so much. Soon it will stop. Anyway, I'm happy with this edge. I expect this will hold enough for my wood jobs. I have finished stropping. As you can see, beautiful belly line. A symmetrical bushcrafter, flat scandy. Anyway, let's cut this soft pine. Not very fast. Anyway. This long, a bit convex, flat bevel takes floating power from the wood and makes this thin feathers very well. Now, this knife has made my primary bushcrafter knife from Bark River. Okay, I'm satisfied with it. See you. Bye bye.